My name is Hartwig Ernst. I'm the chair of computational mathematics at the TUM Campus in Heilbronn. And me and my team, we develop and design algorithms and software for running on the largest computers on this planet. What makes this summer school so special? The first summer school that is co-organized by the Technical University of Munich, the ETH Zurich, the Jülich Supercomputing Center, the HLRS in Stuttgart, and the LRZ in Garching on the topic of HPC's Driving AI. So this is a unique opportunity for students to actually learn from the experts from all these centers and be educated on the future of HPC and AI.
My highlight has definitely been the variety of speakers that attended and gave the lectures. For me, I think I'll probably go with the GPU tutorial sessions because that's really where we are actually getting hands-on on doing actual stuff. That's a thing I really like.
I applied to the summer school to get exposed to a wide variety of HPC topics. I had done just a little bit beforehand and had really wanted to see what was currently working in the industry. Future applicants should definitely come next time to just network with other like-minded people. There's not too many HPC people necessarily in one college, especially as enthusiastic as the people here, and I've really enjoyed meeting other people my age and also the mentors here teaching.
To be honestly, it's been an amazing experience, and I believe every future applicant will want to have the same experience in which I have. It's been very insightful, and meeting a lot of people and seeing what people are actually working on. It's been so sweet and amazing.
Yeah, definitely. That's the great opportunity to meet a lot of people. Share ideas, learn about very in-depth things about the high-performing computing and their daily usage, like how to use them in the AI applications.
I think this is a great opportunity for anyone who's interested on HPC and AI. You not only learn many things, but also get to know many persons that work in several domains and from different countries, so it's just a great summer school.
So if you ask the participants of this summer school, they will all tell you that it was a beautiful experience and they all want to apply again next year. But of course, we don't want to just invite the same people next year again. So please think about applying. Maybe it saves you the spot for the next year.